Considering what happened in the stock market 2 days ago, we must admit that Deepseek has caused a major stir upon its arrival. This is not just about a new AI model, it represents a power shift across the entire AI industry. Do you think America's AI monopoly is coming to an end? Is the era of ChatGPT nearing its conclusion? Let's explore this in today's video. Very few people know that the world's biggest companies are called Magnificent Seven. These companies include Alphabet, Amazon, AWS, OpenAI, and others. China has launched a new AI model competing with ChatGPT, and it has shaken the market immediately upon its arrival. This AI model is not only powerful but also cost-effective. While maintaining and running ChatGPT costs around $5 billion annually, Deepseek has been developed with $6 million. China trained Deepseek on less advanced chips, yet its results are significantly superior. This fact has shocked not only ordinary people but also major market investors. Among those who suffered the biggest losses due to Deepseek's emergence is Nvidia. In just one day, Nvidia's stock price dropped by 70%, and the company's market value fell by $600 billion. Can you even imagine how many zeros are in $600 billion? This was the biggest drop in the history of the US stock market. Nvidia lost $600 billion, and other companies weren't spared either. Alphabet alone suffered a $100 billion loss. Meanwhile, OpenAI's CEO acknowledged Deepseek's impact but also claimed that they would soon release an even better model to compete with it. At this point, the key question is, can OpenAI face this new competitor? If we analyze the numbers, this competition isn't just about AI power, it's also about cost efficiency. While OpenAI requires $5 billion, Deepseek was built for only $6 million. This makes Deepseek cheaper, more efficient, and more powerful. Seeing this, people are not just walking away from ChatGPT toward Deepseek, they are running toward it. To add to this, Deepseek has become so popular that it had to impose registration limits. When the company investigated an attack on its system, reporters were informed that it was a large-scale militia attack. But the big question remains, who was behind this attack? The internet is buzzing with speculations. Some believe this attack was deliberately carried out to make Deepseek fail at an early stage. Conspiracy theories suggest that Western tech companies or even the US itself may be behind it. However, no authentic or confirmed details about the attack have surfaced yet. Friends, what has happened over the past few days is not just the launch of a new AI model, it's a signal of a major power shift. Until now, Silicon Valley was the undisputed AI king. But Deepseek has proven that innovation isn't exclusive to America. The future of AI will no longer be dictated solely by billion-dollar investments. Cost-effective and smart solutions can shake the market, and this is just the beginning. China has openly signaled to the world that it has stepped into the AI race and is not going to lag behind. In the coming days, it will be fascinating to see who emerges as the true king of AI, America or China. That's all for today's video.
Friends, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I will meet you again with another video. Until then, take care of your health. Thank you so much.